just coming along today with a journal share. This one is going to be for sale in my Etsy shop. Now this is quite a new take for me. It's not grungy, and I'm aiming this at children. Like, I'm quite happy if adults want to buy it, but I was thinking, let's have a look and see if, you know, we can get kids interested in writing again. They're all on these phones and they're on the tablets, and I've thought, let's get them interested in journals. So I've made this little journal, and it's got loads of little tuck spaces. It's got lots of fold outs. It's got things to play with. And I thought this might be quite a cool little journal. This is like a little flap to get somebody interested in journaling. Of course, anybody can use it. I've got a colouring page there. Got some scraps to be used. Got some stickers, some vellum, another little tuck spot. And this is all these signatures are all tied in with this beautiful wool, and so you can take the pages out. So you want to do some colouring, you can just slide the page out and colour in it, and then slide it back in. And when you've used it up, your book, you can take the whole signature out and refill it. Where was I? Was in the middle. So I've got a little envelope with some die cuts in to play with. Got a little note paper here for writing about where you went on your holidays. I'd have loved this when I was like a little girl. So pages for writing on. Little tuck spots with cards. I've even put some little bits of bling in there. I made these ages ago. Little tiny notepad. And inside the pocket, I've got some fairy stickers, glittery fairy stickers, and a big card about how to make a homemade water bomb. I'm not taking any responsibility for who buys this. Book pages, another colouring page, and this book here, this is the centre one, and this is the whole story of Poppy's babies. And I've rebound the cover, so I took the whole signature out in one, and it's glued. So all I've done is I've glued some more fabric to remake the spine, not the cover, the spine, and it just sort of matches the new spine. So the third signature is another writing one, and in here is like a cellophane pocket, and I'll put in some like little bits and pieces to play with, but they can be took out and different photos can be put in. Some pretty paper, some writing paper, some more colouring. Another little card. I remember getting this from Kathy, Kathy's favourite things. Pages from a travel journal. Some pretty, really tough vellum paper. This one is a little fold out card, so you take it off and it will open right up. A little cat on there. Nothing dangerous. I've got some stickers, more butterfly stickers. Got a little booklet about doggies with a pocket that will flap open, and inside you've got a little envelope that is full of some more little surprise, well done, wow stickers. the other side of the vellum, a really cute little note card. This big pocket with shoes has got a tag in. This is a sewn page. I have to sew two together. So inside here is a little bit of more of the journal, the travel journal, and it just tucks in. So this is a little over the top pocket that goes in this, and it's just like a little notebook. It's watercolour paper, I think, that one. And I just tucked in the paper on this gorgeous photo pocket. And you have some more bits to play with there. More colouring and writing, and a very cute tag. Oh dear. I think the other side has a cat on it. Yep, the other side has a cat on it, because I haven't got very many cat stuff. In here is like a guest check for writing. Inside a lovely pink envelope. And in the back is a whole book of stickers. So flower stickers. That I know kids love stickers. I know Olivia loves them. Stickers on everything. So there we go. And all just left loose and dangly because it's more fun. And it ties together with this button fastening, and it's just elastic, it's not attached, and you just do that and it's all attached in. There's not too much all popping out, but the spine is just tied together with another bit of dangles. You can add some more dangles on there, but I didn't want to put anything on there in case it went to sort of a younger child. So there we go. So I love it. If I was sort of 10 years old, I think I would love this. So I'm hoping that somebody does, and it will be in my Etsy shop. If you are interested, do pop over and have a look. Thank you very much for joining me, guys.